Hi, She. Hello, She. How are you, She?
Uh, I
Are you? Did you sleep?
know
What did you do?
the morning I wake up at 8 o'clock
Oh,
because today I have um, in my school I in the dance club,
okay.
and today I go to my school because uh
Okay, I see. That is why you joined the class late.
I
So,
in 7 uh 7th August. I go I go to dance with
where? In the stage?
one yard.
Oh, okay. Well, that's great, Chi. So you are part of the dance group at school. That's why you went there early to practice. I thought you were sleeping. That's why you joined the class late. Okay. So enjoy your time, She. Did you eat lunch?
After
Okay, she. Now let us start right away. Make yourself comfortable, she. And yes, we will now have this one. Okay, so in here, all you have to do is to say what you see. Okay, so like for example, he is from Canada. Can you tell me, she, where is he from?
is from uh
He is from
New Zealand,
He is from not New Zealand. She.
Australia,
Yes, he is from Australia. What do we call the people from Australia? She.
Australia.
Okay, yes, they're Australians. Very good. Now, what about him? Where is he from?
From Korea.
Okay, what do we call people from Korea? She.
Is Korean.
Okay, yes, Koreans. Now, what about her? Where is she from?
She's from Thailand. She's from Thailand.
Okay, and what do we call people from Thailand?
Is
What do we call people from Thailand?
is
She?
Thais.
Okay, yes, that's right. And what about her? Where is she from?
She's from China.
Okay, and what do we call people from China?
Uh, they are Chinese.
Very good. What about her? Where is she from?
From Brazil.
What do we call people from Brazil? They are Brazil, Brazilians.
Brazil.
Yes, they are Brazilians. She. Okay, next one. What about her? Where is she from?
He's from US.
Okay, and what do we call people from the US?
They are American.
Great job, she. They are Americans. What about him? Where is he from?
From New Zealand.
Yes, New Zealand. What do we call people from New Zealand? New. It's still New Zealand, but we added some letters. It's New Zealand, New Zealanders, right? Okay, yes, New Zealanders. Next one, she. What about her? Where is she from?
He's from Canada.
Okay, very good. And what do we call people from Canada?
Uh, is Canada.
Okay, yes, Canadians. They're Canadians. Okay. What about her? She. Where is she from?
From Japan.
What do we call people from Japan?
Is Japanese.
Yes, Japanese. What about him? Where is he from?
Uh, is
He's from? Yes, UK or United Kingdom. What do we call the people from UK, from the UK?
British.
Yeah, they are British. Okay, what about him? She, where is he from?
Is from Philippines.
What do we call the people from the Philippines? Oh, it's different, right? It's not? It's not Filipinians. It's forgot. You forgot, she. Philly. Filipinos. She. Filipinos. Yes. Okay, last one. Where is he from?
From India.
What do we call people from India?
They are Indian.
Yes, they're Indians. Okay, thank you. She. Now, can you tell me which country is this?
This is China.
Very good. Now, what about this one? Which country is this?
Uh, this is Australia.
Great job, she. What about this one?
Uh, is Thailand.
Okay, yes, it's Thailand. Now, next one, she.
It's India.
Very good. Okay, what about this?
Uh, is South Korea.
Very good, she. Now, in here, I want you to spot the difference. Okay, wait, let me see. Yes, there are four differences in total, she. So let us see if you can spot them all.
In picture one, this is UK.
Okay, the flag, there is a flag of UK, but in picture two,
Uh, is Canada.
okay, yes, very good. What else? She,
Oh, in picture one, The picture on the table is South Korea,
Okay, yes, the flag of South Korea, but
and but in picture two is Japan.
okay, yes, the flag of Japan. Next one, she.
Mm, Uh, in picture one, the picture is uh,
It's
what is Australia,
what flag is that, she?
Australia or
Okay. Yes, that is the flag of Australia, she.
oh, okay. In picture two is New Zealand.
Mm-hmm. Okay, next one. Oh, this is the flag of. Okay, this one, she is New Zealand, and this one is Australia. Okay, what else? She. Okay, we don't have four differences here. We have more than that. Okay, what else can you see? She.
Oh, in picture one, in in front of the windows, the rock uh, under the rock, the this country is Brazil, and this
Okay.
country is Philippines.
Yes, and aside from that, on top of it, we can see the picture of the flag of the Philippines, but in here it's the flag of Brazil. Okay, there you have it. So now let us proceed to another lesson. Since we're done with 33, we'll now have 34. Okay, we have here my town. Do you live in a town, or a city?
I live in city.
Oh, in a city. Okay, let us have this one. Yes, you will be Maya and I will be Alex.
I'm going to the
Convenience store.
convenience store. Do you want to come with me?
I can't. I'm going to the library with some friends. Do you know what a convenience store is? She?
No, I don't.
Okay, so you don't know it. It's just like a small supermarket wherein you can buy your
Cửa
needs.
hàng tiện
See?
lợi.
I study this is uh supermarket and
Department store.
yes, department.
Ah, okay, yes. In the department store, you can buy clothes. In the supermarket, you can buy your grocery. Okay, and the convenience store is just a small version of the supermarket. Okay, it is smaller. Now, let us have this one. Okay, so what is this?
Yes, a spoon.
What can we do at the school?
I can study every uh s- subject.
Okay, yes, that's right. How many subjects do you have? Do you have 8 subjects or 10?
I have I I 10 years old and I study s- set 8 subjects.
Oh, 8 subjects. Do you like your school,
Mm, yes, and oh, I some days I I I want to sleep
Oh, you feel sleepy at school. And
because in the Vietnam Students go to school at 7 o'clock.
Yes, that's too early. And what time do you come home?
I come home at uh 5 4 o'clock.
Oh, do you eat lunch at school?
Yes, it's school.
Oh, and after lunch, you have time to nap, right?
Yes,
Oh, okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, because in the Philippines, classes starts at 8. But of course, you must be there at around 7:30 for the flag ceremony. Okay, and then the class ends at 12 o'clock. So students have the choice to go home or to stay in their school to eat lunch, and then
in
comes,
Vietnam, some students don't don't want to eat in school. Uh,
yes.
sh- they they go they go home at uh 12 o'clock and
Hmm.
go to school again at two 2 o'clock.
Oh, oh, 2 o'clock. Wow. Okay, so you have a long break, she, because in the Philippines we only have 1 hour. They must be back at school at 1 o'clock or before that because classes starts at 1 again until 3 or 4. Sometimes 3 o'clock, sometimes 4 o'clock. Oh, okay, she. So it's really different, she. Now, I believe that would be it. So you can eat your lunch now. I'll see you again on Saturday. She. Goodbye, she.